preview of what this looks like here. But look at this. This is the setup, and this is what it looks like on the camera. It's GTA, bro. We want to get a like a back mount camera to go on there, so that I can jump out of my car, run over, and yank you out of your GTR and throw you on the ground. Hey Lambros, welcome to the channel. It's SteveCurrington.com, and something exciting is happening today. I want you guys to watch this vlog because I just arrived to meet the delivery truck for the new engine. You guys are gonna have to check this out. Now, I think we slightly underestimated the size of it when I ordered this online. It said it can be converted to a Lamborghini engine.
Is that a turbo?
I think it is. Oh wait, I know what it is. There's some important engine information here for us to read. This engine conforms to US EPA Tier 0 regulations. This engine is designed to operate on diesel fuel. This engine this is literally a train engine. We're gonna put a train, we can't put a train engine in a Lambo. I mean, like legit, dude, Travis, this is a train engine. And obviously I'm kidding. We're not putting this in the Huracan, but when you roll up next to something that's more impressive than your Lambo, you gotta film it, you know? Like, look at this thing.
Think that hooks right up to the tranny?
I think so. I think that is the transvestite. I mean the tranny. The tran. All right, we're kicking it today. Doing some testing on our new GoPro Max 360 camera to get you some really cool shots of that. In the meantime, I'm doing mortgages today, so that's why I'm not all in my Lambros gear, but we did get new merch. Well, here, let me have the camera and I'll sport it. This is Travis.
Hey.
Travis is sporting the new merch. Look.
Check this thing out.
Lambros. Look, he left a little taggy on there. Oh. It's called multi-black camo, okay? Snapback Lambros.
AKA badass.
Anyway, so we got new merch. We'll drop, Travis will throw a thing in there so you can go order some. I'll be giving away free merch. And since we don't have anything going on, I just got the Huracan back. We got new radiators, we got new brakes, we got new rotors, we got a new shock in the rear, we got all new unders because I apparently ripped the bottom out when I jumped it. So I say, let's get on the highway and see what this thing can do. There's a lot of popos out. Well, we're not exiting there. Oh my God. Dude, what is that? That's like a big old pipe. It's 3,400 millimeters. Okay, fast forward. It's a new, well, hour. Give you a little preview of what this looks like here. Travis is over there with the GoPro going. But look at this. This is the setup with the 360. And then this is what it looks like on the camera.
So you can zoom in, you can turn, you can look at us.
It's crazy, bro.
It's gonna be badass.
So anyway, we're taking it for a drive. We're gonna go to White Glove. They've got a big parking lot so that we can kind of like test it out. We're gonna test it out at White Glove, and then we're gonna drive through bay number 1 with this thing on, just probably for fun. So stick around. We're gonna get, I don't know if we should get on the highway. We're getting on the highway. Boys and girls, we just went to Best Buy, got some massive memory cards because that thing records in like 5K plus. And here's what's going on right now. But we're gonna record some video of us running down the highway at the speed limit, of course. At the speed limit, of course. Travis, if I was driving next to me and I had this contraption sticking off the back of a car, like I'm just like, what would I be thinking? It's GTA, bro. We want to get a like a back mount camera to go on there, so that I can jump out of my car, run over, and yank you out of your GTR and throw you on the ground, and then kick you and punch. We're gonna do a real life GTA 5 is what we're doing, what we're after, Rose. Look at this. This is so cool. Oh my God. Sick! I love it! Okay, Lambros, we just went to White Glove. We are now in a different vehicle. Urus. Have it on the front this time, so we're just testing it out. I'm actually having a little bit of a battery problem with the Urus. It's been a little bit of an ordeal that I haven't even recorded yet, but we're on our way to another shop that can maybe hook it up to a battery tender or something that will actually let us know what's wrong with it. So in the meantime, I thought it'd be fun to hook the 360 camera on there. That's what it looks like. We'll throw some video of it on the road.
Check it. 21, and you never had this feeling. Shake your pulse, it's not the answer, just keep breathing. You figure it out. Turn with us and we'll show you how.
Okay, boys and girls, we're back in the Huracan, and we're gonna try some night shots with the 360 GoPro Max. And it's a sad day for the Urus because I didn't really film much of it, but we definitely have a dead battery. So
Yeah. Super dead.
kind of sucks. But thanks for watching. Check out some more of the Pixie video, and we will see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. I'm Steve Currington, and people are always asking me, what do you do for a living? How do you pay for all these nice cars? Well, this is what I do. Cash. I give people access to money. I'm a lender. I do home loans. You want to buy a house? Call me. Go to stevecurrington.com, and I lend in all 50 states if you need access to some cash.